RapidMatchGO is a new, compact and easy-to-use spectrophotometer created specifically for PPG refinish repair shops. Completely redesigned and featuring all of today's latest technology, RapidMatchGO takes advantage from the immense PPG colour database and leading colour science, intuitive software and accurate, repeatable colour formulas. This short step-by-step presentation will guide you through a few simple tasks to help you use RapidMatchGO correctly. It will help to maximise the features of this new device in combination with Paint Manager XI to ensure the best results are achieved. Identify a spot near the damaged area, free of scratches and possibly flat. Carefully clean the area with the help of a car polisher and gloss restorer. This will result in a more accurate measurement with the correct level of gloss, avoiding the reading of any dust particles. Before taking measurements with RapidMatchGO, locate and write down the colour code of the vehicle. This will be helpful later when using Paint Manager XI to identify the right colour variant. Remove RapidMatchGO from the docking station. Check if the battery is charged and the calibration is not required. From the RapidMatch main screen, press the job list icon to start the measurement process. Then select Add New Job icon to proceed. Position the spectrophotometer on the car, hold it steadily, and when all the LEDs are green, indicating the correct positioning, press the button on the right side to start measuring. Alternatively, you can press the LCD screen. Wait till the measurement is finished and all the LEDs are green again. Then move the instrument to a close new spot, maintaining the same vertical orientation. Repeat the measurements 5 times. Continue the process with the third measurement. Move the spectrophotometer to a different spot and make the 4th measurement. 5th and last measurement. Position the RapidMatchGO in different spots during all the 5 measurements to reduce the risk of reading dust, small scratches and defects. After the last measurement, check the readings consistency indicator. Try to get as many dots as possible. 1 to 2 dots indicate you may have red scratches or dust. Repeat the measurement in case of poor result. If you cannot get 4 to 5 dots, it could mean you are reading a previously repainted area. That the automatic reading can be activated from the settings menu to enable the spectrophotometer to take readings automatically when all the pins are correctly positioned and green. RapidMatchGO has a dark mode built in. When it identifies colours that are particularly dark, it will automatically extend the reading time to record a more precise measurement. Dark mode can be activated or deactivated in the settings menu. RapidMatchGO features a big status LED and a buzzer to assist during the operation. The buzzer can be activated or deactivated in the settings menu. Do not rotate the spectrophotometer after each measurement and always keep the instrument on a vertical orientation. RapidMatchGO gives the option to add information to the car measurement just taken. That information will be recorded and transferred to the computer along with the car reading. Press the small edit icon to add any information. We recommend you record information such as the colour code, plate number or car manufacturer and model. It is now time to move to the touch mix or computer to continue the process. When you have completed the measurements, the spectrophotometer can be connected to a touch mix or a computer. Place it in the docking station to start transferring data to Paint Manager XI. If the RapidMatchGO has been set up to transfer information over Wi-Fi, there is no need to connect the device to the computer. To initiate the transfer, press the Connect icon on the main menu. From the Paint Manager XI main screen, press the RapidMatch icon to start looking for the right colour using the RapidMatchGO measurements just taken. If Automatic Sync is activated, all the measurements taken will automatically be downloaded to Paint Manager XI. If not, the download button needs to be touched in order to initiate the download. The car information is displayed. To correctly identify the colour variant, enter the colour code you have previously located on the car. Using a colour code is recommended to drastically reduce the risk of selecting a wrong variant. This will also provide the best chance to select the correct colour and effect pigments. This is the final screen. All the colour variants are displayed in order. Select the colour variant at the top or scroll to the one below, considering match rating and effect coarseness. Match rating is an index that's used to rank the variances starting from the closest one to the target. The lower the match rating, the better the match. If the match rating is green, the variant should be good for blending. If the match rating is yellow, a check panel is recommended. The effect coarseness provides further assistance and a guide when tinting may be needed. The three possible values are OK, finer and coarser. The effect coarseness is not activated for solid colours.